Hey, I'm Ani and we're making orange chicken that's less sweet and more orange than what most people are used to. Make the orange glaze by combining 2 teaspoons of orange zest, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then whisk it all together. Place this over medium heat and prepare a cornstarch slurry. Make the slurry by whisking 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into half a cup of water. When the orange glaze starts to boil, stir in the cornstarch slurry. Then reduce heat to a simmer and stir frequently. When the glaze reaches the consistency of pancake syrup, remove from heat. It will thicken as it cools. Slice 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken into 1 or 2 inch strips or pieces. If using frozen chicken, ensure it is fully thawed. Begin heating 1 inch of frying oil in a large skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a breading station. Make a simple egg wash with 2 beaten eggs. The flour dredge is 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon each of salt and garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Bread the chicken by coating each piece in egg wash first, then flour dredge. Press the flour into the chicken to ensure it is fully coated. Fry the chicken in batches so you don't overcrowd the pan. Cook the chicken until golden brown and the internal temperature reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This will take about 5 minutes per side. When fully cooked, drain the chicken on paper towels and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Now it's time to coat each piece of chicken in the orange glaze and transfer to your serving dish. All that's left is to make this orange chicken a reality in your kitchen.
You'll be glad you did.